There are many ways to look at this chart over here on the Canada Yen weekly chart. Over here, this bad pattern bears a huge warning sign. It could also be a retest of a double bottom. So it really depends on your rules, how strict you are, and how you are reading the chart, right? So, for me, doing this for the past 21 years, sometimes on the much higher time frame on certain pairs, I can be a bit more fluid. However, I do watch closely and make a comparison with the ground-based rules, right? So this is something for you to think about. To the daily chart, this is something that's nicer. Key support, key resistance level, what we call a sideways bounce formation. I'm waiting for a buying opportunity. However, because it's on the daily chart, the earliest I could engage is on a Tuesday morning, which is Chinese New Year, right? So it doesn't matter because I just need a couple of seconds to engage a trade and spend 15 minutes a day to do my analysis, right? And because this is on the daily chart, it shouldn't change much until I resume work on the third day of Chinese New Year. How good is that, right? So it answers some of the questions and consideration that people has. You might be thinking, oh, I'm busy, I have work to do, I can't do this every day. How about twice a week? Right, so the only trade-off is you will only trade on a much higher time frame and you have a lesser engagement. Most of the time people love it. They do not want so much engagement opportunity in trading because these are just their side income, right? And you when you trade off a much higher time frame, the income can be pretty substantial as well, right? So if we head down to 4 hour chart, this is something I love to look at. Daily chart, we have support and resistance level. And when we zoom down to the 4 hour chart, not only we have that, but it's based on another trading setup that echo the entire setup, which is perfect. So this will be the zone that I'll love to play with and just hope that market just keep on bouncing up and down within this range. 283 pips. I don't mind buy and doing absolutely nothing and wait for it to reach the targets on the other end. And of course, when you reach critical level, I can shift my stops to entry, putting it the particular trade that I shift the stops to entry a risk-free trade, right? New rule number one in trading: do not make any losses, and this is how you do it, right? So people talk about the concept, the mindset of trading and stuff like that. We talk about execution, right? You want to learn this, right? Drop me a DM. To the 1 hour chart, once again, right? We have another setup that echoed it, right? So that's why this is a combo trade over here. 1 hour charts are waiting for a buying opportunity. It could be as early as once the market open, I have a bullish engulfing candle or a major candle confirmation. I could engage for a buying opportunity on the 1 hour chart. Want to learn this right and want to earn additional income while you are doing other stuff? You could be earning money as well, but let the money work harder for you. Drop me a DM.